Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Job Updates by Shiv. So today I am here with a new job opening in Amazon as a virtual customer service for chat process. This is an exciting job opening because Amazon is hiring for permanent role and work from home facility is also available. If you are a fresher or experienced, that doesn't matter, you still can apply for this position. Only you need to be 12th pass or graduated in any stream. Your job location is Bengaluru and your expected compensation range is between 2.17 to 2.61 lakh per annum. And Amazon will provide you desktop for your work. So in this video we will discuss in detail about the job description, eligibility criteria, additional benefits and how to apply. So before starting the video, if you are a new viewer on this channel, please make sure that you subscribe the channel. Here we bring all the new job opportunities for mostly freshers, and don't forget to press on the notification icon for our latest job updates. So if you get selected for this role, there is one big difficulty and one big advantage. I will discuss it at the last of this video, and I will also provide the solution for it. So if you are really interested for this job role, watch the video till end, either you are going to miss something important. So without wasting any more time, let's start our video. Firstly, talking about the job description, Amazon is hiring at Bengaluru for permanent work from home for chat process. Amazon has limited number of vacancies for this position, so apply quickly. And for this role, you need to be comfortable and flexible for working in night shift. If you work for night shift, they will pay more salary, that we will discuss later in this video. And also for this role, you should have good computer knowledge and excellent English communication skills. And this opening is for chat process, so the selection process is very easy. Other than your salary, that is about 2.6 lakh per annum, Amazon provides you additional benefits such as total 5 benefits are there. First is health insurance benefit, that is up to 5 lakhs per annum. Second is Sodexo Zeta meal card, that is up to 1100 per month, means yearly you will receive up to 13,000 rupees. Then the third benefit is if you work for night shift in Amazon, they will pay you 150 rupees per night. Then internet allowance is also given there. Monthly you will receive 1250 rupees for internet allowance. Then the last one is in a week you will get 2 consecutive days off. The days will be based on the business requirements. Then getting towards your eligibility criteria, the candidate must be a resident of Bengaluru location. Don't worry about this point, I will discuss at the last of the video. Then your minimum qualification is given. You should be at least 12th pass or graduated in any stream. Then you should be flexible and comfortable for working in 24/7 shift, and you need to have good communication skills and typing skills. Then the last and important part is given. If you have applied for any another role in Amazon in last 3 months, or if you are pursuing any regular course, you are not eligible to apply. Then some knowledge and skills that are mentioned are: you should be action oriented, self-disciplined and organized. You should have effective time management skills. You should have ability to communicate clearly with both internal and external customers. You should have excellent comprehension skills, that is ability to clearly understand and address customer issues appropriately. Then you should be excellent in composition skills, that is ability to compose grammatically correct sentence. And you should have ability to use a desktop or laptop. And the last one is you should have excellent communication and typing skills. Then talking about the application process, simply go through the link provided in the description box. Then quickly on your screen they will provide you 19 questions for survey. You have to provide some basic information of yours, and then you are able to proceed for next steps. Now our part is remaining, that is one big difficulty and one big advantage. Firstly, we will talk about the advantage for the selection process. You will not have to give the voice version test. That is very good thing, because many candidates fails in this test, as the voice that we hear that we have to repeat, we can't understand it properly. And the difficulty is this role is for Bengaluru candidates. So if you are residents in Bengaluru, you can apply. This is mentioned in the job description. But no problem, this is a work from home opportunity, so don't worry, mention that you are able to shift in Bengaluru as you are hired. See, this job is for work from home. Only if you have to submit some data or your work to HR, then only you have to go to the office. So don't worry about it, it's not a big issue. So friends, this was all about the virtual customer service for chat process. If you are looking for an opportunity to work with Amazon, don't miss this golden chance. If you still have any query, ask in comment section. And for more job updates, subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.